Okay, we're continuing here with General Psychology, Psych 100, Dr. Bob Bauer. We're going to talk about drugs. So, what I want you to do then is, pull out at least half of your page should be filled up with this. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw a line here. You're going to leave some space up here. See where you are here? Then you're going to draw a horizontal line across here. Then you're going to draw some dotted lines here and here. See that? Dotted lines. Got that? And make a note in here. This is, as you draw these lines here, this is normal range. Got that? This is normal range. Now up here, right in here, write the word stimulation. Stimulation. Or we can, maybe a better word is stimulated. Okay? Then we go to the normal range. Then down here, of course, is depressed or depressive. Got it? So, normal, stimulated, depressed. Got it? Now, we're going to talk about 7 drug categories, and so I'm going to draw some lines later on to show you how each of these are related. But what first you're going to do is you're going to write way up here in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to write major tranquilizers. Got that? Also called antipsychotic medications. Same thing, major tranquilizers are also called antipsychotic medications. Now I'm going to go fairly quickly, and what you can do is rewind this, of course, and then go a little slower if you like. Next, lower here, what we got are called minor tranquilizers. See up here we got major, now we got minor, which are called anti-anxiety medications. And you see how I've moved it a little bit to the right here? Because as we go through, there's going to be 7 of these. So you're going to need to be able to fit these 7 drug categories, one next to the other. Got that? So this is minor tranquilizers, also called anti-anxiety medications. Got that? Next, go down here to the normal range, and I want you to write the word depressants. Okay, depressants. And you go, well, depressants aren't in the normal range. Just bear with me. Just right now, you're going to write depressants. You can spell it all out. You don't have to hyphenate it like I did. Okay? Then way down here, antidepressants. Antidepressants, way below that line there. Got it? Then we're going to move up to the next drug category, stimulants. Stimulants. Then move over to the next one called anesthetics and analgesics. And then, at that, anesthetics and analgesics, that's in the normal range. And then our last drug category is called psychotogenics. Now, another term I want you to get for psychotogenics is also called hallucinogens. Hallucinogens. From hallucination, hallucino, H-A-L-L-U-C-I-N-O-G-E-N-S. Hallucinogens, also called psychotogenics. So, there's the bigger picture of it here, of these 7 different drug categories that I'm going to be talking about, okay? With, don't forget, antidepressants at the bottom there. And so what we're going to do is, in a minute, we're then going to start with each of these, and we're going to see where the problem begins, okay, or where they begin before they take the drug, and then where they end up after they take the drug. And so we're going to end up drawing lines with each of these. And as you look at them, you can maybe start to predict a little bit what direction those lines may go. Got that? All right, so go ahead and finish drawing it, and I'll be back in a minute.